Our panda can move right now, but it's floating in an empty world. Let's build a real game level with grass, rocks, and collision so our panda can explore a proper world. Let's start by creating the ground. To create the ground, we need to add a tile map layer. Inside tile map layer, we need to add a tile set. When we add a tile set, you can see the tile set and tile map appear here. You have to click the plus icon here inside tile set and generate atlas. Then you have to select the asset, in our case the grass tile, and click open. So Atlas texture was modified. Would you like to automatically create tiles in Atlas? Click no. We would create it ourselves. For this tile, the texture region is 128 pixels and 128 in both direction. You can see we have a tile created. Then inside tile set, I have to set the tile size again to 128 pixels. 128 pixels. Our tile is ready. Now to apply it, I need to click the tile map layer and go to tile map. You can see the boxes, the grids appear. I can click here on the tile and you can see I can paint it using my mouse. If I want, I can directly use the rectangle tool to generate it in a rectangle. So I would use the rectangle tool for now, and you can see we already have our ground. I would bring our player in the front so our player appears on the ground. If I run the scene, you can see our ground is ready and our panda can move on the ground. Now we have got a ground for the player to stand on, but we still need something for the player to collide with. To do this, I would add a new scene. I would create a static body 2D, rename it as rock. Then I would add a sprite to it. After adding sprite, we would then add a collision shape to it. I would add it as a capsule because it almost resembles a capsule shape. If I turn it 90 degrees and try to adjust it, and that's done. So our rock scene is ready as well. I would save it, and now we have our rock scene ready. If I go back to main and click here to instantiate, I can add the rock to my main scene. If I click play, you can see the panda can move around, and if I go near the rock, it collides with our rock. So if I want multiple rocks, I can just control D on it, and you can see I have multiple rocks. I can just place them around randomly anywhere. And if I run it now, you can see we have a decent scene almost ready. One more thing I'd do is I would create a node 2D, and I would put all our rocks inside of this node 2D, and I would name it as static objects. Our panda now has a real world to explore. We have added grass tile map and reusable rocks for the collision. In the next episode, we'll make Panda feel alive by adding animations and camera that follows player. So see you in the next one.